Here's how to set up and connect an Epson WF-2930 printer with a USB cable. So this doesn't come with the printer, but I'll leave a link in the description down below. They're very cheap. The first thing you need to do is take this end of the USB and we're going to plug it into the backside of the printer. So if you rotate it, you'll see that it goes in here. And go ahead and plug it in. Then we're going to take the other end and plug it into your PC computer. Mine is on the left hand side of my laptop, but yours might be different. Now we need to install the printer's drivers. So you can either Google Epson WF-2930 drivers, or you can paste this link into your browser. I'll leave it in the description below. You're going to scroll down and make sure that your operating system is the correct one. It should say detected beside it. And then in the downloads section, click on Epson product setup and then press download. Go ahead and open the file and then we will allow it to make changes, so click on yes. Wait a few seconds and you'll get this pop-up from the Epson installer. Wait on it to finish loading and then you should get this pop-up. So it's going to say thank you for using the product. Just press OK. Then we need to accept the software license agreement and then we will click yes that we have read it. Then it's going to tell you that they collect some data from you, but I'm going to uncheck these boxes because I don't want it. And then press next. We'll press next again. And it's going to download the required software to make the printer work. If you get this pop-up, just press OK. It's going to tell you that the fax utility needs to be installed. After that, it's going to ask for your connection method. Click on the bottom option, connect via USB cable. Then press next. It's then going to tell you to connect the printer with a USB cable and that it will be detected automatically. So because we've already connected it, you might need to take out the USB and plug it back in for it to recognize. So just plug the USB out of your computer and then put it right back in, and you should see this screen update that the printer has been detected. Now it's just going to give you a list of all the software that needs to be installed. So if you come to the bottom right and click install, you can see it's downloading the Epson Scan Smart and the different applications needed for the printer to run. It's saying going to prompt you to print a test page, but I'm just going to press next because I feel like it's a waste of ink. And it's then going to ask you to select your country or region. So if you click the menu and then press OK, they're then going to try to sell you their printer loyalty program. I'm just going to skip this. And then here I'll press next. And you see that the setup is complete and the printer is ready to use. So click finish. So now we're connected. I'll show you how to print. If you go into your computer and open up your files, pick whatever it is you want to print. In the top right, you'll see the printer button, and you can also press Ctrl plus P. That's going to open up your print settings, so make sure you have the printer selected. And then you can change the amount of copies, you can change the layout, you can change it from color to black and white, and you can also change it to print on both sides if you need. And then finally come to the bottom and click on print.